Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in east central Florida, southwestern Orange County in east central Florida, northern Osceola County in east central Florida. At 12:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Auburndale, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Kissimmee, Ocoee, Winter Garden, and St. Cloud. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
Serving Orlando.